Hello and welcome to this month's Heatline video vlog. This month we're going to talk about two simple yet effective components of the Paladin for Pipe heating cable system package. These two simple components, sometimes overlooked or misunderstood, are cable guard and cable ties. The purpose of the cable tie is simply to hold the heating cable to the pipe. Holding the heating cable to the pipe is very important because it creates an effective transfer of energy and ensures consistent contact of the heating cable along the pipe. The cable ties that come with your system are designed to be applied to the heating cable every 16 inches and are perfect for an 1.25 inch or less pipe. If you have a pipe that's larger than 1.25 inches, you can simply double the cable ties up or additionally source larger cable ties or look at other affixing options such as aluminum foil tape. The cable guard that's included in the package performs the process of protecting the heating cable from potential chafing or cutting against foreign objects or sharp edges. The application of the cable guard is very simple. It's split and it twirls around the heating cable. Although our heating cable systems are robust, the cable guard, once installed, provides a protective barrier from potential chafing. We hope you found this video vlog helpful. We'll continue to release a new video vlog monthly, so make sure to stay up to date by signing up for our email newsletter, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and following us on Facebook and other social media pages. Thank you for watching.